let's begin with the different types of animals which you see in everyday life, or you might have seen them on the TV. The first thing you see here is the tiger. Can anybody tell me what is exactly a tiger? We have the three different terms.
It's a carnivore. Sir,
It is a carnivore. Why is it called as a carnivore?
Sir, because it only eats meat.
Because it eats only flesh.
Very good. Secondly, we have hyena. What about the hyena?
Sir, it is a carnivore and it also eats.
Scavenger.
It is a scavenger. Excellent, yeah. Similarly, we have the elephant. Elephant
Sir,
is a
it is a herbivore. Sir, it is a
herbivore.
Because it is eat grass only.
It eats grass only. And then we have
Yeah.
bear.
Sir, it is a omnivore.
Sir, bear is a omnivore.
And it only eats.
Okay, can you answer one by one? Okay. I am not gonna answer. Okay, sabse pehle let's discuss with the what is herbivores. Herbivores are only those animals which eats. What do they eat? They eat only the plants, plant products. Okay, that means they can eat the leaves of the trees and also they can eat the grass. Right? Those animals which feed on only plants for the food are called herbivores. Herbivores can be cow, it can be a goat, it can be a buffalo, okay? It can be elephant as well. Okay? Their food includes leaves, grass, flowers, fruits. Okay? So the first category which I told you was the herbivores. Okay? Now similarly, the second category we have, what is the name of the second category? Is the omnivore. Okay? Let's talk about the omnivore first. So omnivores are animals that can eat both. That means they can eat both plants and animals. Okay? Some of the omnivores in this picture you can see is bear. Okay? We have bear. We also have the gorilla. Okay?
Gorilla.
Right? So these are called omnivores. So the definition, exact definition of omnivore is animals which eat both plants as well as animals. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask Asba. Asba, you tell me, what are omnivores?
Sir, omnivores are animals that only eat, that eat plants and meat both.
Both. Very good. Okay. Hibza, what about herbivores?
So herbivores are animals who only eat plants.
Very good. Who eat plants only. Okay. Now the last category which we have here is the carnivores. Okay. So carnivores actually are animals. This is the carnivore term. Okay. Carnivores are those animals that get their food by hunting and eating other animals. We have the best example of carnivore as the lion or the tiger, right? These are exactly the carnivores. In addition to them, we have the crocodile, okay? We have wolves, we have lions, we have sharks, okay? In different food chains. Shark is the carnivore of which type of food chain? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, ocean.
Very good. Ocean habitat, all the ocean habitats, okay? They have different carnivores, but one of the food chain has the top carnivore as a shark. Similarly, tiger is the grassland carnivore. Similarly, lion is the grassland carnivore, right? Similarly, crocodile is freshwater. You can say freshwater carnivore, right? Okay, so this was the different category of animals, right? Did you understood different category of animals? Okay,
Yes,
if you look at this picture, what do you think about this?
Sir, it is a scavenger.
It is a scavenger. Very good. It is a hyena and it is a scavenger. So what are exactly scavengers?
It steals the food from other animals.
Very good. That means scavengers are organisms that feed on dead animals and plant materials. Here we have the example of hyena. It feeds on the dead animals. Okay? The example of scavengers are also hyena. We have the vultures. Okay? Very good. We have crows. We have cockroaches. Okay? We have jackals. They all are scavengers. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
understood.
Aliza. Is Aliza there?
Yes, sir.
Aliza, what is scavengers? Can you tell me the definition of scavengers now?
Sir, scavengers are animals that eat leftover flesh of animals.
Very good. They eat the leftover flesh of other animals, or you can say they feed on the dead and the decaying. Okay, they feed on the dead bodies exactly. Okay, now the next we have the fourth one is carnivore. We got the carnivore. We learned about the herbivores. We also learned about the omnivores, and the fourth one we learned about the scavengers. Now we have decomposers. Okay, what are decomposers exactly? So I am going to
Sir,
tell
can
you
I
the
tell?
definition.
Sir,
No, I will tell you
Sir,
first.
Sir, can I tell?
Okay, yeah, you tell me.
Sir, decomposers are decomposers are small organisms that eat
Dead and decaying.
dead and decaying waste material and help
Very
to
good.
break it down
Very
into
good.
form so that it
Okay, Afghan, can you keep quiet? He's answering na beta.
can be used by produce to make food. Example of decomposers are earthworm, insects, snail, dung, beetles, sabas,
Okay.
etc.
Okay. You are reading it in one breath. Okay. Decomposers are small organisms that eat on dead and decaying material or waste material. Take care. Actually, you know what? Decomposers are really important for our ecosystem. Can anybody tell me why are they important? I have told you in the previous class.
Can I tell?
Yes,
Sir,
Azma.
can I tell?
Because they are workers of our earth. If they will not decompose the soil, the earth will not be clean.
Okay, very good. They feed on the dead and decaying waste material. If they are not present on the surface of earth, there will be lots of pollution. We will see everything smelling around us. Okay? So we have the examples of decomposers as earthworms, we have insects, we have snails, we have beetles, okay? Dung beetles, or we have crabs, we have flies, okay? These all are the example of decomposer.
सर जब कोई जानवर जैसे मर जाता है, वो सड़ जाता है, तब ये डिकम्पोजर्स उसे खाते हैं.
Very good. Now the second thing we are going to discuss is 10% law. Do anybody know 10% law?
Yes, sir.
I have told you yesterday as well. Yes.
So, for example, grass has 100% energy, and rabbit will eat. So, rabbit will get only 10%. And
very good.
fox will eat
10% law means very good. Excellent, Abdan. Excellent. Okay. So 10% law indicates that there is the transfer of only 10% of energy from one trophic level to another trophic level. That means if the primary producers have the 100% of energy and it is the first trophic level, till second trophic level, only 10% of energy will reach. That means only 10 points. And till third trophic level, it will be 1% only, because 1% is the 10% of 10. Okay? That means from one trophic level to another trophic level, only 10% energy transfers. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear? We are doing the revision and I hope you have already learned it.
it's clear.
Okay, so 10% law means that there is the transfer of only 10% of energy from one trophic level to, yes.
Sir, please explain one more time.
Okay, you want me to explain once more? Okay, I am going to explain it. Don't worry, beta. Okay, so firstly, as you know, beta Althea, there are different trophic levels. Can anybody tell me what is the name of the first trophic level?
Primary
producers.
Okay, primary producers.
Let's take the example. We have producers. Okay? Then we have consumers.
Primary consumers.
Okay, नहीं directly primary secondary को छोड़ के we are directly talking about producers, consumers, right? And suppose we take the consumers in the form of two different, one is herbivore and one is carnivore. Okay, let's take the example of carnivore. ठीक है, what happens here, the energy transfer from primary to consumers will be only 10%. That means if grass has the energy of 100 points, listen to me carefully, Alfia. Okay beta, if grass has the energy of 10 points, 100 points, ठीक है, only 10 points will reach the second level. What happens to the rest of the 90 points? 90 points will go back into the environment. They will be exhausted in the form of energy, because the animals which are eating the grass and running here and there are losing 90 points of energy. Is that clear? That means the first trophic level we are having 100 points of energy, and in the second trophic level only 10 points reached there. Rest of the 90 points जो है, suppose we take the example, it was a cow. ठीक है, cow lost 90 points of energy while feeding on the grass, running here and there, producing waste material. So basically only 10% of energy reached till cow. Is that clear now, Alfia?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So basically, in short, we can say 10% law is nothing. It is just there is only 10% of energy transfer from one trophic level to another trophic level. Okay? So I hope you have understood everything about it.